Hello, dear students. Welcome to English Chat Flow. I am Melissa. If you want to learn English quickly and easily, this episode is just for you. Let's go.
Hello, everyone. My name is Melissa. Today, I will share my daily routine with you. I will speak slowly and clearly. Please listen and repeat after me. I usually wake up at 6 in the morning. The house is quiet. The sun is just rising. I go to the kitchen. I make a cup of warm coffee. The smell of coffee makes me feel fresh. I sit near the window. Sometimes I plan my day. Sometimes I just enjoy the quiet moment. I wake up at 6. I make a cup of coffee. I sit near the window. After coffee, I prepare breakfast. I eat eggs, bread, and fruit. Breakfast gives me energy. I eat with my family. I check my emails. I prepare lessons for my students. Sometimes I record videos. Let's practice. I eat breakfast. I check my emails. I prepare lessons. In the afternoon, I take a short walk. I buy groceries. I cook lunch. I eat simple food.
I love these family dinners.
Me too. The food is delicious.
I have a story.
Let's hear it.
This is so yummy. I had so much fun at school today. My friend and I built a giant tower with blocks. After dinner, I clean the kitchen. I drink tea. I relax. At 10 o'clock, I go to bed. I turn off the lights. I go to sleep.
This was my daily routine. Use these sentences in your life. Thank you for listening.
See you in the next episode. Bye for now. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share.